Hello chess lovers, Suren here, and I would like to share with you a very short and spectacular game played by a leading Polish and French chess grandmaster Savielly Tartakower. The name of his opponent is unknown and the game was played in 1932 in Paris. Tartakower had white pieces and he started with e4, c6 by black, Caro-Kann defense, d4, d5 and f3. White goes for Maroczy variation, d takes e4, f takes e4, e5, knight f3, e takes d4, bishop c4 and bishop b4 check. Well, it was better to play knight f6 or knight d7, proceed with the development, but instead we see bishop b4 check, c3. Now the best move for black is moving back the bishop on a5 square, but instead we see d takes c3, which is actually a blunder. As you know, Tartakower is remembered for his sharp wit and aphorisms. In here I would like to mention one of them. Chess is a fairy tale of 1001 blunders. I really like this quote very much. After d takes c3, Tartakower played bishop takes f7 check in order to lure away the king and capture on d8, and black captured on f7, which is losing on the spot. It was better to play king e7, though after queen b3, c takes b2 check, queen takes b4 check, king takes f7, bishop takes b2, still white has a huge advantage. White will soon castle kingside and start attacking black king, but instead after bishop takes f7 we see king takes f7, which as you can see allows queen takes d8, but in return black is capturing on b2 and is giving a discovered check, king e2, and black is capturing on a1, promoting the pawn to a queen. Right now black has a piece and a rook up, but it turns out that already black king is entangled in a mating net, and let's see how is Tartakower going to finish up his opponent. Here comes knight g5 check, and after king g6 we see queen e8 check, king h6, knight e6 discovered check, and after g5 here comes bishop takes g5 and black king is getting checkmate hit. A very impressive checkmate, I think. Thanks for watching and I hope that you enjoyed this insane game. Good luck.